Good day, sir. So today we're going to perform the final activity, which is the TPO3. I am Honey Jane Fabrigar.
I am Shani Armediante.
I'm Katrina Ituling.
Good evening, sir. So, today I will show you how to run a tic-tac-toe. I have a code here and I already make it. So, ika-copy paste ko lang ito dito. Ayan. So, itong cell na to is to display a board. This is also to identify the tic-tac-toe. Then every cell is you need to run if it is checked because kapag hindi tama yung code kasi is mag-error dito, makikita mo yung mga mali. Tapos in the second cell, this is the test board, which is going to print the board this the board test. Kanya siya at ito yung mga magdi-display sa loob ng board. So, kailangan din natin itong i-run if it is check or wrong. Ayan, so ganyan yung lalabas dyan. So, okay, and then the cell 3 is okay. Ganyan. Then, so in this cell, we're going to assign the player or marker which represent the X or 0. So, X or letter O. And then, we need to run. So, if there's no error, then that is mean it is the code is checked. Then the next cell is so ganito yung lalabas kapag tama yung the rest ng mga code dito simula sa itaas hanggang sa baba. So ayan, pag i-run mo yan, ito ang lalabas. The player input which is also assigned for players. And then yan. So, kinanglanan din natin yan i-run if tama ba or hindi. Oh my God. Wait. Ano? Ay, isa lang ah. So, dito kinala natin kailangan mo sagutan yung tanong dito sa baba. So, it's either pipili ka X or O. Dali dia. Dito X and then ayan. So, dito naman sa pang panglimang cell is kailangan natin itong run. So, kapag ganyan is tama yung code. So, sa number 6 naman na cell is so ganyan yung ang mangyayari dyan sa number 6 in this it is print it will print which test if the dollar sign is in the board and then dito naman sa ganyan tama yung code yan. So in this statement of check or the game will definitely mark the player is won the game if it is also assigned the movement of the players. Which is true because in win check as a statement of the X is won the game. So, in the statement of the import random, the first player will choose a marker or X and 0 to start the game. Yan naman sa 10. So, kailangan natin yung i-run. So, this is statement of space check. Ito. So, space check, it will return in the position. So, dito naman sa cell na ito is in range if the player inputs more than 9 numbers, it will check the if it's true. So if it's more 9 numbers, it will return false but number is 1 to 0. But if the number is 1 to 0, it will return true. Then, so dito naman sa cell na sa may sa number 12, it will or the player must input the exact number which is 0 to 9. Hindi yan pwede sumobra. Sa cell naman ito is kinala natin yung Iran. So in this cell, after the game or the player is concluded to be a winner, the system or game will ask if yes are going to proceed or play again. And then this cell naman is i-run natin yan. So here, this is the complete game console. So we are going to demonstrate the gameplay. So we are going to test the game if it have an error. So kapag lalaruin mo ito, mapipili ka kung X or O. So pipiliin ko ay X tapos enter. So yung player 2 naman, so ang player 2 yung magsisimula yung mag So yung player 2 naman yung unang maglalaro. So ito, magko-question ito na are you ready to play? So enter yes or no. Ayan, ito yung output ng sa yung unang cell. So choose your position. So kung laruin mo to, kailangan may kasama ka. X number natin ulit. So X yes, then ito yung this is your choose your next position 1 to 9. So ito yung position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So kung piliin ko yung 2, pero so kung sa 3 naman, ganyan. So 4, 5, then kung sa sa 7 naman, ay no, 8, tapos sa 9, tapos 7. So ganyan, you won the game kapag ganito ma-align mo yung 0 or X. So kung gusto mo maglaro uli, magta-type ka lang ng yes or no. Ayan, so lalabas ulit yung game and yan lang po sa number 1 na yan lang po sa number 1.
Good evening, sir. I am number 2. You're a person to person. So, first, i-type natin yung import random. And then, div guess the number and then interneting secret number random one And then next is attempt 3. Attempt 3. And then print. Welcome. Welcome to the Guess the Number game. So, type na natin siya. So, guess the number game. And then bring number between 1 and 100. You have 3 attempts. To guess it. And then while attempts siya natin. Zero. And the next is guess. Plus n. Input. Input. And then enter your guess. Ito. Tapos if guess, secret number, and then the next is print. Congratulations. Guess the number correct. The number. So next is type natin break. Next. Yes. Secret number. secret number, and then so next is print natin yung higher. Saglit lang. Print. Higher. Ganito, tapos the next is proceed tayo sa next else. Tapos next natin print dollar. Saglit lang. Yeah. And then the next is else. No, then at then saglit lang. Then and then yeah. The next is natin siya. If attention. And then 0. So, and then the next is print. Ipe-print natin yung print. You have and then and then type natin yung attempt. Ganyan. And then the next is siya. Wait, what that is. So, and then print natin yung sorry. Up attempt. And then the number is ano lang. Yes. Salamat. And then, secret na. Yan. And then next is, next natin siya. Saglit lang. Play again. Wait na. And then, play again. Tapos, input. Ganyan. Saglit lang. And then, input. You have T1 to play again. Ganyan. Tapos, question mark. So, tapos, saglit lang. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Ganyan. Tapos, ayan. And then, yes or no. Ayan. Ayan. Saglit lang. And the next is replay. Again. Replay again. And then, again. Tapos, lower. And then, open. Yes. Open. Yes, ganyan. And then, next natin is, yes, the number. So, ganyan. And then, so, next na natin siya. Else. So, else. Then, okay. Thanks for playing. Things for the playing. And then, ito. And the next is where the last, ito siya. And guess the number. Guess the number. Ayan. So, saglit lang. Ganyan. And then, saglit lang na. Saglit lang po. Saglit lang. Saglit lang po. And then, so, ganyan. So, run na natin siya. Saglit lang. Then, run natin siya. Saglit lang. Kataligan nila pizza na. Nakapigil na. Ganyan. Sir, ano po siya? Saglit lang ha. Katsumin na dapat baby. So, ito na siya. So, ano na, so, ito yung lumabas pag tapos natin i-run. Miss Fabricar, may tanong ka po ba?
Yes, I have a question. Can you explain the random numbers 1 to 100 and also what does the 3 times of the number?
Okay, then. The number between 1 to 100 is that the player can input number between 1 to 100 only, and also the 3 attempts is the player can guess the number 3. So, example, ano natin siya? Type tayo na number. 65, ganyan. Tapos natin enter natin siya. So, sabi dito is lower pa. So, i-try natin yung 45. Dapat tatlo lang siya. Lower pa, so
36.
natin 36. So, hindi talaga siya, no? Wait lang. So, yun na po siya.
Okay, thank you.
So, ito po siya. Tatlong attempt lang po dapat yun. Kaya, yun na po. Okay na po yun.